As property owners, you know the unique challenges that come with maintaining your facility. At Capstone, we're here to handle the heavy lifting when it comes to facility maintenance.
First, let's define facility maintenance. Our company handles a variety of services including facility renovation, interior and exterior maintenance, landscaping and groundskeeping, parking lot maintenance, health and safety compliance, and vendor and contract management.
At Capstone, we're your partners in preserving and enhancing the image of your business. From servicing the vibrant buildings in the Vegas Valley to many other facilities across the Southwest, we're the unsung heroes behind countless success stories.
Our team of dedicated professionals is at your service 24/7. Whether you own a hotel, a restaurant, a retail store, or any commercial space, Capstone has you covered. Capstone's expert technicians are masters of their craft, ensuring that every inch of your establishment is pristine, safe, and inviting.
What truly sets us apart is our unwavering commitment to quality and excellence. When you choose Capstone, you're choosing a team that takes pride in every task, no matter how big or small.
We tailor our services to meet your specific needs. Our clients aren't just clients, they're partners. Their success is our success. If you're looking for a 24/7 team with lightning fast communication, look no further.
Join the ranks of the best in the business. Discover the Capstone difference, where innovation meets reliability.
Capstone Standard, your facility maintenance solution.